Hey, it's Mark from Fleet Auto News here. We're just looking at the Genesis GV70. We're going to have a look at the tyres. We've got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV, and you can see that marking there, the GOE. That tells us it's a Genesis original equipment. So this tyre is made for this car by Michelin in collaboration with Genesis. Now the Pilot Sport's an excellent performance tyre, fitted to a lot of European vehicles. If we have a look at the tread pattern here, there's a couple of obvious features that tell you it's a performance tyre. The first one is this stiff centre rib. If you have a look at it, there's no sipes, there's no grooves or cuts, and that provides excellent stability at high speed, keeping straight line steering. Then you've got some big grooves. They're great for evacuating water at speed. You've got three massive ones here. And little chamfers on the edge here, and they're a little feature that when you put the tyre under load adds more rubber to the road. It's an asymmetrical tyre, so it means there's an outside and an inside, and you can look at the different design here between the outside of the tyre and the inside of the tyre. The outside's where all the load goes when you're cornering, and you can see the different size tread blocks here. This is what reduces the noise as the tyre spins around that speed. Overall, a great performance tyre, the Michelin Pilot Sport for the SUV model designed specifically for the Genesis GV70. It's Mark from Fleet Auto News. Don't forget to subscribe, and so you won't miss any of our latest videos.